The Battle of Lonoy, also known as the Battle of Lonoy Hill, took place on March 5, 1901, during the Philippine-American War. This conflict arose from Filipino resistance against American colonization following the Spanish-American War, which had ended Spanish rule in the Philippines. The battle occurred in the small village of Lonoy, located in Jagna, Bohol, where Filipino revolutionary forces, led by Captain Gregorio Casenas, had established a stronghold. The Filipino forces, numbering around 400, were determined to resist American control and had prepared defensive positions on Lonoy Hill. The American forces, consisting of about 120 soldiers from the 7th and 44th Infantry Regiments, were dispatched to capture the Filipino resistance. They underestimated the strength and strategic advantage of the Filipino fighters, who had dug trenches and set traps on the hill. As the American troops advanced, they faced fierce resistance from the well-entrenched Filipino forces. The battle was intense and brutal, with both sides suffering significant casualties. The Filipinos, utilizing their knowledge of the terrain, inflicted heavy losses on the Americans. Despite their tenacity, the Filipino forces were eventually overwhelmed by the superior firepower and reinforcements of the American troops. The battle ended in an American victory, but it highlighted the Filipinos' determination to resist foreign rule and their capability to engage effectively in guerrilla warfare. The Battle of Lonoy remains a symbol of Filipino bravery and resistance during the Philippine-American War, reflecting the broader struggle for independence and sovereignty.